crank up tomorrow in more of a full force atmosphere across the area. Now, tonight the winds will gradually weaken. You know, we talked about how today would be kind of low to moderate range of the windy category. But if you look at our future track wind gust tracker, this is 4 o'clock hour, but you'll notice as we make our way through tonight how the winds begin to die down. This is look at 11 o'clock. They're still going to be up in the breezy category for some parts of town, but as we continue to run the model here, you notice by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you still have time tomorrow morning. We're not looking at any fierce winds early on in the morning hours, but you'll notice as we start to make our way towards mid-morning, well, that's when the winds will be breezy category to low-end windy. So they're going to gradually start to pick up, and then we're going to reach our peak, you know, during the afternoon and evening hours where the winds will really begin to crank up around town, and we have that direction of the winds from the southwest that will likely produce, again, some blowing dust and sand. So we're looking right here at 50 miles an hour. The time frame for those 50-mile-an-hour gusts going to be between 2 and 6 o'clock, 2 in the afternoon, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening for you folks on the east-northeast sides of town. And again, the winds will be sustained, fairly consistent, 25 to 35, but with those higher projected gusts out there. So like we were talking about Monday, it's good to kind of realize what to do when visibility gets down to a mile or less. Pull off the road, turn off your lights, foot off the brake, because if you have your lights on, folks tend to want to follow somebody. Wait for better visibility before you head back and merge on the roadway. So here's the overnight lows expected by tomorrow morning. Temperatures going to be in the 40s. Again, the winds will gradually weaken. Look at the high temperatures tomorrow. This is out ahead of the cold front. It's going to be a very warm day tomorrow. We should be able to make it into the mid and upper 70s throughout the region. You folks in Doña County, places like La Union at 38, Chaparral at 40, and La Mesa dropping down to 35 degrees. Your high temperatures for tomorrow will climb into the mid 70s. Then the front will blow through here. And then guess what? We're going to start to cool things down once we head into your Thursday morning. By the way, daylight savings time, that occurs on this Sunday, March 13th. Spring officially begins Sunday on March the 20th. Here's your forecast. 75 tomorrow. It's out ahead of the front. Then the front drives through here. The winds pick up Thursday morning. So early on Thursday morning, we'll have some wind chills to have to deal with. So some of you folks may need some of the bigger jackets if you're going to be heading out 5, 6, 7 o'clock on Thursday morning. 56 will be the high. Then we drop it down to 29 on Friday morning. But the good news is we don't have any strong winds Friday morning, but we start to recover a bit. 61 still below average. The weekend will climb into the mid-upper 60s, and then potentially some 70s coming away again by early next week, Mark.
And Doppler, speaking of wind chills, if you haven't had a chance to see Doppler's story on wind chills in his What's on Doppler's Radar series that aired last night on ABC 7 at 10, you can find that on our website, kvia.com.